my God, this was so beautiful to watch. Like, this has been trending for some days now. How a Nigerian chef by the name Hilda Bassi is, trying to break the current world record, and she succeeded in doing this. Oh my God, I am so happy to see how a lot of Nigerians came out in support of this lady, from children to adults to everybody, to celebrities, to the president, to the vice president, to the governor. This was so fun to watch. Honestly, when I saw this, I really felt for her. I was like, God, please do not give up. Just keep going. Just keep going. Do this for us. Do this for us. Oh my God, do this.
Hi, we're here to support Hilda. She's one of our own, and we're here.
Oh, Eniola, you've been amongst the few people who have been here from inception. Thank you.
This is the testimony of grace. This is what God has done, that we're just looking at, right? So grace.
Guys, it was fun to see Charles Okocha in the building. If you know him, you know his vibe. I'm more shine, I'm more shine, I'm more shine. He trends because of that, because of how he hypes his kids, especially his daughter. And he tells you, we're outside, we're outside. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. He was here to cheer her up, and this was so loving to watch. Guys, I was literally awake watching this. Like, I was watching, yes, I slept, don't mind me, but I was awake watching and seeing how somebody can be this determined. Honestly, it just gave me a lot of goosebumps. It gave me a lot of rethinking in my life, how I should go out there and break boundaries, how I should go out there and do great things for myself. This is huge, guys. This is huge. I've been posting about this on Facebook, encouraging a lot of people out there. Like, Nigerians are constantly breaking boundaries everywhere. Tiwa broke boundaries when she went, to the King's coronation to perform. Apostle Joshua Salma, it was in the UK, in the largest arena, 21,000 people gathering, in the United. In fact, I heard people were even being turned back. There was no offering, there was no tickets sold, yet thousands of people gathered to worship God. Like, these are examples of how Nigerians are constantly breaking boundaries. I'm so happy right now, waking up today, seeing things changing for the better. Look at her at 87 hours gone, getting close to 88 hours, where of course already here she was already the winner and she was still going strong.
Record breaker.
Guys, Africa to the world, Nigeria to the world, Nigeria to the world, Nigeria to the world. Like, I feel so good right now. I feel so happy. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Guys, it's so proud to be a Nigerian, so proud to be an African right now. She's still currently in the competition. And right now she's on 91 hours. As you can see that screen, she's currently 91 hours. She won immediately. She surpassed the previous winner, who was on 87 hours 45 minutes, but she's still on and she's going strong. Guys, this is so good to watch. So much support from everyone, and I'm so happy to be a Nigerian. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you more updates around this. Thank you so much to everyone who has supported her. I was so happy watching this. Like, I'm gonna do a review on this, like a personal review on this. Shout out to everybody, because I love people who are so focused and determined to be the best in life. Like, all the support she got from the governor to the vice president who called her, to a lot of celebrities came out to support this lady. Like, that's the spirit of the Nigerian. Forget bad government, we keep us where we did. We are loving people, Nigerian to the world, constantly breaking record everywhere we find ourselves. So kudos to us. One love Africa, one love Nigeria. Thank you. Bye.